I think the go-to-market strategy for these devices in India has to be around telling people how technology can change their lives for better, what can they do with technology, and fundamentally giving them the option and the choice, across tablets and phablets and PCs and two-in-ones, so that they can choose what is the right device for them. So, depending on the device type, for example, a two-in-one, you can say is the folks who will be buying two-in-ones will be people who are wanting a mix of tablet and a PC. Tablets are being bought across the categories: students, professionals, some for work, some for play. PCs are being used extensively for a variety of topics: education, enterprise, at home. So the whole world is becoming mobile. The whole, people are wanting to become more mobile, and people are wanting to do a variety of things, not just at home or office, but in the move, when they are on the move. So I think what you see is largely the youth driving demand for pretty much all the devices across the spectrum, and then obviously depending on each niche, if there are certain variables needed in a device for the enterprise segment, that will happen. If there are certain variations in the device needed for the education segment, that will happen. Two-in-one is going to be a big kind of category. It is evolving. It is people are liking it very much because it is giving you the option of a tablet and a PC both at a good price point. So it has everything it takes to become successful, and in my opinion, two-in-ones are going to become a large chunk of the PC and tablet category segment very soon. Key focus areas are around enabling the right players with the right technology and continue to drive the innovation messaging while on one side with the engineering side, on the other side telling consumers, telling businesses, telling small businesses about the potential of IT and how IT can be used for improving business, for improving their livelihoods. I think the two big challenges which are hampering the growth of, or I would say which are hampering the device penetration in India are affordable broadband and local content. And I think both are getting fixed, both are being worked on, and you will see the device proliferation around PCs, tablets, other devices going up many-fold in the coming years. I think it will be mixed. It will be a mix of consumers and enterprise, because they both need the tablets for their own needs. Consumers need it for more personal work. Enterprise users will need it for both office work and personal work. So eventually you will see very huge growth coming from both sides.